Welcome back, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic that's sure to catch your attention and help you unlock financial freedom. In this video, we'll be sharing 15 easy tips to increase your passive income. So, grab your notepads and let's dive right in. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money while you sleep? I have a life-changing opportunity that can help your life in the next 10 years. Start your journey towards financial freedom. Click the link in the description to sign up for the exclusive life-changing training. Here is tip 1. Choose the right passive income stream. Not all passive income streams are created equal. We'll walk you through the most lucrative and beginner-friendly options to help you decide which one suits you best. Tip 2. Real estate investments. Discover how you can generate passive income through real estate and why it's considered one of the most reliable methods. Tip 3. Dividend stocks. Learn how to make your money work for you by investing in dividend stocks that provide regular income while you enjoy life. Tip 4. High-yield savings accounts. Find out how you can earn interest on your money without lifting a finger through high-yield savings accounts and other financial instruments. Tip 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Explore the world of peer-to-peer lending platforms and see how you can generate passive income by lending to others. Tip 6. Create and sell digital products. Unleash your creativity and turn your passion into profit by creating and selling digital products that continue to generate income long after you've finished working on them. Are you ready to build your own thriving e-commerce empire? Take your business to new heights with the Ecommerce Empire Academy. This life-changing training will help your life reach financial freedom. Click the link in the description for limited spots only. Are you ready for this one? Tip 7. Build a niche website or blog. Learn how to harness the power of the internet by building a niche website or blog that attracts an audience and generates income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Tip 8. Royalties from intellectual property. Ever dream of earning royalties like a rock star? We'll show you how you can leverage your creative skills and intellectual property to generate passive income. Tip 9. Create an online course. Share your expertise with the world by creating an online course that provides value to others while generating a steady stream of passive income. You may want to pay attention on this one. Tip 10. Rental properties. Get a sneak peek into the world of rental properties and discover how owning and managing rental units can provide a consistent cash flow. Tip 11. Affiliate marketing. Find out how you can earn a commission by promoting products or services you love through affiliate marketing, all while sitting back and watching your income grow. Tip 12. High return investments. Learn about investment opportunities that offer high returns, such as index funds or alternative investments, and how they can contribute to your passive income goal. Tip 13. Add revenue from YouTube or podcast. Dive into the exciting world of content creation and learn how you can monetize your YouTube channel or podcast through advertising revenue. Tip 14. Develop a mobile app. Discover the potential of app development and how creating a successful mobile app can generate passive income from downloads, in-app purchases, and advertisement. Last and not least, tip 15. Rental income from vehicles or equipment. Explore how you can generate passive income by renting out vehicles or equipment you own, such as cars, bikes, cameras, or even power tools. And there you have it, folks. 15 easy tips to boost your passive income and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. And remember, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.